What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. We're going to get into a video here. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some stuff I just got from Ideal Barber Supply. It's always a great day when you get a package in the mail. I've been waiting on this for 2 days now, so they shipped it out 2 days ago from Florida to Texas in 2 days. Great service, great customer service from these guys. But let's get into what we have in the box. We're gonna go ahead and open everything up. Well, not everything. I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff that's in here, but we're gonna unbox before we unbox, if you feel what I'm saying. But big old box that we got here. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Y'all stay tuned, lock in, and we're gonna get to this video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, let's get up in this box. I apologize if the camera is shaky. I have a tripod sitting on my desk, but we're gonna go ahead and get this open and start pulling everything out that we got in here so I can show y'all what we did get from Ideal Barber Supply. So shout out to Ideal Barber Supply, like I said, for the expedited quickness of the shipping. I found out about Ideal Barber Supply through Chris Bossio's channel. He used to, they promoted them a lot. I think that's one of the first stores that carried Tomb 45 at the very beginning, when they first started out with their shave gels and stuff like that. So shout out to Ideal Barber Supply, but let's go ahead and get in this box. Like I said, this is like super secure. Lots of tape up on this thing. There we go. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna save all this paper. If I have to ship anything myself, we're gonna handle that in. All right, I'm gonna throw this box in this chair I got here on the side and then pull everything out and put it on the table. That it's easier for you to see. So first off, we got the another box of Tomb 45 no drip, got the onyx black color. So got that. Got a Tomb 45 power clip for the new wall senior. We got another expansion pack for the Tomb 45 power mat. So another expansion pack, Tomb 45 gear on deck. We got the Andis Resurge shaver, the newest Andis shaver that they came out with. I'm already impressed with the packaging. We're not gonna get to the unboxing of these yet, but you could see already the professionalism of Andis's renewed look, the new look they got going, the new logo. Just everything that Andis is doing and rebranding is pretty dope. Next, we have the Low Pro FX, the clipper. I'm not gonna get into that unboxing yet, but you see the clipper. And then we got the Low Pro trimmer. So I'm looking forward to using all of these things. I will be doing an unboxing over the Low Pro trimmer, the clipper, and as well as the Andis Resurge shaver. So stay tuned for that. Got those unboxings coming, and I'm gonna be shooting you guys with a review as well. But I just wanted to make a little video and show you guys what I got in the mail today from Ideal Barber Supply. So shout out to Ideal Barber Supply. They always got Tomb 45 stuff on deck, but I'm doing this in between haircuts, so I gotta get back to the shop. But I'm excited to use all this, like I said. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We got more videos to come. We're just getting started in 2022, and we're gonna come into this year full speed. So let me get back to the shop. Until next time, God bless.